In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present Canva slides offline, no internet. If you ever need to present where Wi-Fi is unreliable, Canva has a built-in offline presenting feature that works on computers. This isn't available on the mobile apps, so make sure you're on a desktop or laptop using Canva's website or desktop app, and that your presentation is already saved in your projects. Start by opening Canva on your computer and heading to your homepage, where all your designs live. Find the presentation you want to use. When you hover your mouse over the presentation thumbnail, you'll see a More icon that looks like 3 dots. Click that icon to open additional options, then choose Enable Offline Presenting. This tells Canva to prepare your presentation for use without an internet connection. Next, click Continue to allow Canva to save the design data to your device. This step is important because it downloads the assets your presentation needs, like images, fonts, and animations, so everything is ready to run smoothly when you're offline. Give it a moment to process. Depending on the size of your presentation and the number of elements in it, syncing might take a little time. You'll know it's ready when a small Present Offline tag appears on the design. That tag is your confirmation that the offline files have been cached to your device and you can proceed with confidence. If you don't see the tag right away, wait a bit and make sure you stay connected until the sync finishes. Once the Present Offline tag appears, you're set. Disconnect from the internet by turning off Wi-Fi or unplugging your network cable. Then, go back to the Canva homepage, open your presentation, and present as you normally would. Your animations and transitions will work because Canva stored the necessary assets locally. However, keep in mind that embedded YouTube videos won't play without a connection. If your deck relies on video, consider having a backup plan, like summarizing the clip or replacing it with a placeholder note for your live presentation. If you run into issues, double-check that you initiated the Enable Offline Presenting option for the correct design and that you saw the Present Offline tag before disconnecting. Also remember, this feature is designed for computers, not phones or tablets. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!